The raw materials for briquetting can be iron ore fines, coal powder, charcoal powder, and all kinds of mineral powder. The briquette shape can be spherical, pillow, and spindle. We can also customize the briquette shape. Put the coal or charcoal powder into the fiddlet. Then the model drags the inside the pair ruler to move and extrude the powder. The finished coal and the charcoal ball will be transported by the conveyor smoothly. The pair ruler can be changed easily and has different models. The crushed powder will be saved out in the outlet to ensure the cleanness of the final products. The coal and charcoal ball briquette machine can reach 1 to 2 tons per hour and is always used in the charcoal and coal ball production line.